A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. We are came with the spell that is very powerful. With this spell, your ex will call you. This spell will make your lover or ex, girlfriend, boyfriend, your wife, your husband, your couple. With this spell, he or she would call you instant. This spell is very powerful, easy to do this spell. You don't have to buy anything from the market. You have to take two things with you. One in the pen of any color, blue, black, red, it doesn't matter for this spell, and you have to take only a plain paper. Nothing required expect of that. This spell is very easy. For this spell you have to give your concentration on this spell, that you have to know the mobile number of your lover, the city of your lover, nothing expect of that. So this spell is very easy, anyone can use this spell. So I'm going to start this spell. I'm going to show you how you can use this spell and get your ex messaging you. So for this spell you have to first of all write these words. You have to write, like for example, you are doing this spell for your girlfriend, so you have to write this spell to spell my girlfriend. You have to write I love Julie. For example, your lover's name is Julie. You have to write I love Julie from, you have to write here your name, Tom. These words you have to write as it is. After that you have to write you have to know the number of your lover. You have to write your lover's mobile number. For example, your lover number is +1 and x for the like 1 2 3 4 whatever it is. You have to write the first place of your lover's name. After that you have to write text me on my number. You have to write exactly down to your lover's number, like this. After that what you have to do, you have to write your lover's name. For example, her name is Julie. Julie loves Tom. You have to write it like this. You have to write the first place your lover's name, Julie love, right, Tom. After that what you have, please, this is very crucial part of this video, please give your full attention to this video. You have to make a two hearts like this. Like this. The heart should be attached like this, and you have to make these lines dark. These two lines should be dark, and you have to write LOVE, love, here. And what you have to make a secure box of this box, and you have to keep this paper under your pillow for 2 hours, and you have to fold this paper towards you for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write it, you have to do this towards you. You have to fold this paper. After that you have to keep this under your pillow for 2 hours. I'm giving you guarantee, with this spell your lover will text you, start messaging you. He or she would miss you in 2 hours. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.